Hey, hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will see evaluation of artificial intelligence. AI did not come suddenly, it has evolved over many decades, step by step, from simple rule AI-based system to powerful self-learning models. So let's go through this journey with proper timeline. Here you can see in 1950s to 1980s, like we have rule-based AI. Then 1990s to 20s 10, machine learning era came, then deep learning came. Now we are using generative AI from 2020 to present. So let's start. This is 1940 to 1950, the beginning. This is where everything started. In 1943, two scientists they were proposed the first model of artificial neurons. They were inspired by human brains and tried to create a mathematical model of how neuron works. This was the fundamental of neural networks. Coming in 1950, Alan Turing proposed the famous Turing Test. The idea was simple. If a machine can talk to a human and human cannot distinguish whether it is a machine or a person, then the machine can be called intelligent. This marked the philosophical birth of AI. In 1950s, the term AI and perceptron. In the 1950s, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. This is when AI became a separate field of study. In 1957, the perception was invented. It was the first neural network model. It could take the input like age and salary and give simple output like yes or no. During this period, high-level programming languages like COBOL, Fortran, and Lisp were also introduced. This language made it easier to write AI programs. Now let's see 1960s. This time like we created our first chatbot. In 1960s, researchers started using mathematical and statics in AI. Instead of only rules, they began using probability and formulas. This made AI slightly smarter. In 1966, Joseph created the first chatbot called Eliza. So Eliza could do simple conversation by mathematical keywords. For example, user is saying, I feel sad. Eliza, Eliza is responding, why do you feel sad? It was not truly intelligent, but it was major milestone. Now coming to 1970 to 1980. In this era, interest in AI dropped significantly. Because like why it dropped? Because like technology was not powerful enough. Computer were slow, data was limited, expectations were too high. Government and companies reduced funding. So this period is called like our first AI winter. You can say AI winter period. Now coming to 1980s to 1987. This period is called expert systems. In the early 1980s, AI came back through expert systems. This system tried to mimic human expert. For example, I can say medical diagnosis system, banking decision system. They were knowledge based and logical rules. In 1980, Stanford University hosted the first national AI conference, Triple AI. But after 1987, funding again dropped. Another AI winter happened. Like one AI winter already happened. Now again another winter happened. Now coming to 1997 to 2006. This is called IBM. This period is called IBM Deep Blue. Why it is? In 1997, a major breakthrough happened. IBM Deep Blue defected World Chess Championship Gary. This shocked the world. For the first time, a machine beat the best human in the chase. This proved AI could handle complex combination. After 2006, like what happened? Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, big companies started using AI for real application. Recommend their systems, search, personalization. AI entered real world business. In 2000, like from 2012 and onwards, what happened? AI entered into golden period. It is called deep learning era. Okay. Deep learning uses like multi-layer neural network, use data, powerful deep GPU. This enable image recognition, speech recognition, nature NLP. Computer vision and NLP benefit the most in this era. From 2022 onwards, we enter into generative AI era. Now AI does not just recognize, it creates text, image, music, code, everything AI can do, like ChatGPT. Okay, this is the most powerful phase so far. So now you can see summary of this, all the evaluation of AI. Here you can see rule-based AI, 1950s to 1980s. It is basically if-then rules. Then we came into machine learning era. then deep learning, then now like we are using like as a person we are using generative AI. So like at the end I can say AI has evolved from rigid rules to statistical learning to neural network to creative intelligence. And this evaluation is still going on. We are only at the beginning. So for like on this, thank you so much and please like and subscribe.